This is an unboxing of Irwin vise-grip 6.5-inch combination internal external snap ring plier set. You can see there's a set of pliers along with 4 different heads that are kind of at different angles coming in. On the back side is just a little ad. Yep. Open it up, see what we have. Here's the pliers with one of the attachments. You can see here the different attachments are the angle of attack, and there's one already on it. As we squeeze it, it opens in this configuration. Let's see if we can take this off. Haven't read the instructions yet. There we go. And we should be able to change out the part with a different one. Put this back in. Turn it around. Sure, easy to say. Lock it in place like that. And there we go. Now let's see if we can try flipping it around the other way so that it's an external. Take it off. Flip it around to the other side. Put the center pin back in. Press it in against the spring so that it locks. Now you can see it's normally open, and when I squeeze, it closes. So not too bad. It feels okay. You can see the spring here is what's giving it the tension. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.